Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to make a killer Shopify product page without hiring any developer, without any coding skill. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you have started designing your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, but you don't know how to make a killer stunning high converting or make high conversional Shopify product page, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. First of all, I will share the required element that is must have to on your Shopify product page, and then we'll discuss what we'll get in free theme like drone theme or any other theme, and then we'll make solution how to add such feature to add Shopify product page. Also, if you have started learning Shopify store design, customization or theme development, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. So let's get started. So here is my Shopify online store. The store name is Perfume Store Design. This is one kind of luxury product. I have already published a video playlist how to make a luxury product store or design a luxury product store with free theme using my custom ready free code snippet. So you can see that I have already designed this one. Looks good. Slidable, hover, collection section, best seller. Also here is the ready section, latest collection, 2 image with hover and the center position text. Okay, and this is not completed, we just developing this store, but in this tutorials we are going to work on the product page. Okay, to work on the product page, first of all we have to go to our product page. So click on any product. I'm going to click on it. Okay, here is the product page. You can see that this is the product title, price, description, add to cart button, buy it now button, and here is the image. And by default, if you look very carefully, this looks very general Shopify product page. It's not high converting, not SEO friendly, also not looks professional. So first we are going to start following our document that I have made ready, and here is the document. You can see, let me zoom it. Okay, and then we will discuss what is the required element we have to add on our Shopify product page. So first of all, you can see that here is the product page structure overview. At the first time we have to add a hero section, and in the hero section we must have to add product image gallery. So now I'm going to check out that we have product image gallery or not. Right now we don't have any product image gallery, so we are going to add product image gallery, and we have to find out that is it available on the free theme. But before that we must have to check out our theme. I don't have shared the theme name still now, so I'm going to click on online store. And here you can see that our theme name is Sober, and this is one of the most popular recently published Shopify free theme on the Shopify directory. So we are going to work on this theme like drum theme. To work on the product page, first of all we have to go to the customize sections. I am going to click on the customize, then go to the product page. So click on this arrow icon, select product, default product, and here is the first required things, the hero section element to include. We must have to add high quality product image gallery. Go back, this is the product information, here is the product information, and here is the product media. Okay, and then we must have to convert it from grid to carousel. So click on the carousel, click on the save, then going to reload, Yes, you can see that here is the carousel and zoom effect is available, you see. Okay, let me find out more option in the media, carousel, arrow, mobile pagination, counter, aspect ratio. Okay, high screen. Okay, video looping, hide unselected variant. Okay, perfect. Then go back in the product information and we can make it equal column. You see, we have make it equal column, or we can make it larger. The media will be larger and here is the text, but equal column is perfect. So I think we can do this with free ready picture. Then we have to check out the product title. Here is the product title, include target keyword. So here is the product title, but this is totally SEO relevant, as I am also a SEO expert, so we must have to add target relevant keyword on the title. For now we can think that we have added the perfect title. We just keep the product name on the title, but we must have to add relevant keyword. I'll show you the details about SEO on my SEO playlist or on my SEO course, so you can check out it as a Shopify store owner or Shopify learner. This is also will be very beneficial for you. Okay, then star rating and review count, social probe, and now we are going to check is it available. Star rating and social count, let me check. Details, in details title, review star, this is available, but the problem is that we don't have added the required apps to show the product review or rating. So that's mean we have to add the required apps on here. Okay, by default this is available, so we can do this, and I will share the every section, every element details tutorials step by step on the next upcoming video. You will check out on the video playlist or on the latest video, you will find it. Okay, then price and discount base, let me check. Here is the price and we can add discount base on here. How we can do this? I have a video on that, how to add discount base and price and discount base in here. For example, we can go to our Shopify admin panel. Then go to any product. For now we are going to the same product. This is our product. Search this product. Here is the product, you can see, and we can add sales price and regular price. Price, compare unit price, cost per price, compare at, let me add it. Okay, click on the save, and then we can review or reload, you see. But I have a tutorials video how to show the discount percentage on here with animation, but this is not on the sober theme. I will make the sober theme tutorials, so you can check out my YouTube channel. You will find the sober theme tutorials on my video or on my YouTube channel playlist or videos. We can ignore this one for now, but we have understand that we have to add percentage like this one with animation. Then we have to add short product highlight or bullet key point. I think we can do this with ready picture. In the details we can simply, after the star review pricing, we can add product description. Here is the product description. We can add the bullet point in here. Also, if you want to add any others element, then we can add from here. There are a lot of options ready for us: heading, icon, image, tags, video, accordion, divider, spacer, inventory, review star. We have added the review star, introduction, okay, variant picker, see all, okay. Or we can create a bullet point using AI. For example, let me show you how we can do this. Okay, just ask AI create a demo. Okay, just command to AI to generate it, but we will add this under the price. We have to wait a little bit time for that. Very simple process. Okay, then by this time, as it's making, by this time we can check out another things, but I think we have almost done in here, so we have to wait a little bit time. Just waiting. Let me check what's happening in there. Everything generating automatically. This is the power of AI, and it's really help us as a developer. You see, here's the key benefit. We can add key benefit in here, and we can hide the product description. We can add spacer in here, add spacer plus icon, then we will find divider, spacer. You see, here is the spacer, size, pixel, you see. Yes, it's working. So simple and easy. Okay, and for now we are just going to review the required element, then we will start at one by one. And you can see after that we have to add to cart and buy now button. Here is the add to cart and buy now button, and stock or urgency indicator, only 5 left, or selling fast. We can add it by default featured. Click on this plus icon, accordion, price. Yes, product inventory. We have to add product inventory on here, and we can move it on the bottom. Yes, product inventory at space. Okay, perfect. Okay, then let's see more. This is just first section element, and then we have to add more than 10 section on the product page to make it killer and high converting, SEO friendly. So you can see that we can add on mobile keep, add to cart is sticky for better conversion. And here is the other section name: product description, story section, product video, GIF section, key featured, why choose as section, size variant custom option, then review testimonial section, shipping and return policy tab, then trust and guarantee section, then related and recommended product, SEO and technical optimization. This is also very important, and I have ready SEO course on my YouTube channel. You can check out it. So I hope you understand. We have to add minimum 11 section on the product page to make it killer, high converting, SEO friendly. And here is the bonus conversion booster: add chat with us, ask a question pop-up, offer limited time discount pop-up, add FAQ schema for SEO, sticky add to cart bar, countdown timer only if genius. And here is the more design tips. So I hope you understand about all the required section of product page to make it more professional, eye-catching and high converting. And I believe now you can implement this section featured on your store, and you can compare your current store with this video guideline. Then you can add one by one, face any issue and any complex tax, then you can contact with me. You can send me message by WhatsApp, or you can send me message by Facebook, Instagram, or email. I am available for you, so don't worry about that. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress, or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.